Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're worried about hair fall, thinning hair, or just looking to regrow those luscious locks, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'll be sharing real tips that work, from home remedies and nutrition to lifestyle changes that promote stronger, thicker, and healthier hair. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's talk about how you can stop hair fall and grow new hair naturally. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want more beauty and wellness content. Understanding hair. Fall. To fix a problem, we need to understand it first. Hair fall can happen for several reasons. Stress and anxiety. Yes, even emotional stress can impact your hair. Poor nutrition. Lack of protein, iron, zinc, or vitamins like biotin and B12 can lead to hair loss. Hormonal imbalance, especially for women after pregnancy, during PCOS or menopause. Scalp issues, like dandruff, buildup, or clogged follicles. Heat styling and harsh chemicals, frequent straightening, coloring, or tight hairstyles can cause breakage. LTH and beauty content. The good news? Most of these causes can be reversed with proper care. Let's start with how to reduce hair fall naturally. How to reduce hair fall. 1. Switch to a gentle shampoo. Look for sulfate-free, paraben-free, and silicone-free shampoos. These strip less oil and are kinder to your scalp. Try ones with ingredients like tea tree oil, biotin, or aloe vera. 2. Improve your diet. Hair is made of keratin, a protein, so eating enough protein is essential. Great hair foods: eggs, nuts and seeds, spinach and dark greens, sweet potatoes, hello beta-carotene, lentils and beans. 3. Scalp massages. Take 5 minutes a day to massage your scalp. Use your fingertips in circular motions. This increases blood flow and stimulates hair growth. 4. Hair oiling once or twice a week. Use natural oils like coconut oil, strengthens the shaft. Castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, helps regrowth. Rosemary oil, proven in studies to work as well as minoxidil. 5. Sleep and stress control. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep and try meditation or yoga. When your body's balanced, your hair will be too. 6. Be kind to your hair. No brushing wet hair, avoid rubber bands, don't overwash. Let your hair air dry and cut back on flat irons and curling tools. 3. How to grow new hair. 1. Natural growth boosters. Here are my favorite home remedies. Aloe vera gel. Apply it to the scalp and leave for 30 minutes before washing. It soothes the scalp and unclogs follicles. Onion juice. Yes, it smells bad, but it's rich in sulfur and helps regrowth. Mix with coconut oil if the smell bothers you. Fenugreek, methi, paste. Soak overnight, blend, and apply. Great for strengthening the roots. 2. Consider supplements with doctor's advice. If your diet's lacking, talk to your doctor about adding biotin iron, especially for women. Zinc vitamin D collagen powders for skin plus hair benefits. 3. Stay hydrated. Your scalp needs moisture from the inside. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. 4. Bonus tips and lifestyle hacks. Do's. Use a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce friction. Trim your ends every 6 to 8 weeks to prevent split ends. Protect your hair from sun and pollution with a scarf or hat. Don'ts. Don't crash diet. Rapid weight loss equals hair loss. Don't skip scalp care. Healthy hair starts from the roots. Don't believe in overnight magic. Hair growth takes consistency and patience. So there you have it. Your ultimate guide to reducing hair fall and regrowing hair naturally. Remember, consistency is key. Pick 2 or 3 tips from today and start applying them regularly. You will see results. Have any of these worked for you? Got your own secret hair growth recipe? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. It helps a lot, and it keeps you in the loop for more health and beauty content.